Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up CAC Reader. All right, so let's begin with the video. Now before we begin, I want you to check the model of your CAC Reader. You can simply do this by flipping over your CAC Reader and looking for the sticker. As you can see, you can notice your model. So now that you know the model of your CAC Reader, you simply want to go to your browser of choice, so in my case, Google, and type in the CAC Reader model number followed by the word driver. We want to look at these links very carefully. As you can see, the first link says SCR 3310, which is the one I have, so I want to click on the second link. Now, if we scroll down, here's a description of the driver that you'll be installing, here's the version of it, and here's the date that it was uploaded. So this is the latest version, and we want to click on Download, and then open that file up in your Downloads folder. Right-click it and click on Extract All. Now, once the file is extracted, this window will populate and we want to double-click on the application. Allow the app to make changes and this will populate with the CAC Reader Setup Wizard. You simply want to click Next, agree to the license, click on Install, and voila, we're done. Click on Finish and you can delete the folder if you really want to save space. That's all you need to do. Now, you just simply insert your CAC card into your CAC Reader and it should start working perfectly fine. So, that's basically how you can set up CAC Reader. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.